Want to be part of my free gift card giveaway? Too bad, because I'm not doing one. If you want one of them, you should go subscribe to Derv. Oh wait, his channel got terminated. Okay, so the reason I'm making this video is because I have a few update things to tell you. A, I probably won't upload a legit animation for quite a while, but the next one will be good, trust me. And B, I'm thinking of changing my character design slightly. Well, maybe quite a difference. So yeah, basically I've decided to add a neck to my character, and I don't know about the reflective effects because it looks like a wax figure at the moment. I might change that too. And I'm also going to try lip syncing. Anyway, so I also have a friend, you probably know him, Tactoons TV. He's made a new animation channel called Tack Animate. It's basically Rack Animate, but with the T instead of the K, and it's spelt completely differently. So yeah, that's all I've really got to say, and you can just watch this video of me drawing a couple of YouTubers like Gold Animates, Rack Animate, Tack Animate, Element Animated, and yeah, hope you enjoy it. Oh yeah, I almost forgot MC Quad, but he's irrelevant. Anyway, hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and if you don't like fidget spinners, you might want to wait till the end. here. Oh, cool. So some of you at school, if you go to my school, remember the fidget spinner today? Or, well, boom, here it is. And you know what we're going to do to it? Yeet! Oops. Went somewhere here. Oh, I might have actually lost it. Okay, went somewhere in this bush. Just need to find where. There's going to be a wasp here. Found it. I don't like let my mum know what's going on, but what the hell? Didn't work. This thing is indestructible, honestly. Oh my, oh god, oh jeez. Kind of flattened the spinny bits, but yeah. It's still pretty indestructible. It won't spin anymore, if you can see that, but that's not the end of it yet. At this rate, I'm going to end up destroying the floor. Right. Indestructible. The thing is, unless I can do this, obviously, maybe this will work. And I don't think that worked either. 3, 2, 1. Yay! That's kind of ruined it, I guess. Yeah, that's kind of broken now, I guess. So yeah, thanks for watching. That's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Here's the end of the fidget spinner. And thanks for watching.